Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry license plate light step by step. Locate the light assembly at the rear of the vehicle and gather a flathead screwdriver plus a replacement bulb. Turn off the car and remove the keys, then work on a level surface with good lighting. Wear gloves to protect the bulb and avoid fingerprints. I will walk you through removing the lens, swapping the bulb, and testing the light carefully. Begin by opening the trunk or accessing the light from the rear bumper area to get clear access. Gently pry the lens tabs with a flathead screwdriver while supporting the lens to prevent cracking. Keep a soft cloth under the work area to catch any falling parts and avoid scratches. Remove any screws or clips and place them in a small container so nothing gets lost as you continue swapping the bulb. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple car tutorials. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep parts and small screws organized while I work, and they save cleanup time too. They stack neatly in a toolbox, and the seals prevent spills during transport. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out of the socket without twisting to prevent socket damage. Inspect the socket for corrosion or debris and clean gently if needed before inserting the new bulb. Push the replacement bulb firmly into place until it seats fully, then reattach the lens and secure any screws or clips. Finally, test the light by turning on the vehicle lights and confirming the license plate illumination works properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.